Oh, what do you want, Poopy? What's Poopy saying? What does Poopy want? Hmm? Time for treats? Time for breakfast? Okay. Welcome back, everyone. This week I'm flying back to California to see my family and friends. I say bye to the puppies and head on over to the airport. I was lucky I got a really good seat with lots of legroom. I'm flying into Long Beach Airport, which is a lot smaller than LAX or Orange County. And I'm heading to Orange County this weekend. First stop, Fullerton at the 80s bar, totally 80s. I meet up with my sister and my friends and we celebrate the 80s, one of our favorite decades ever. We have great music, great food, and the dancing. We felt like we were in high school again and we were young kids. Everybody in the bar was probably our age, and we all enjoyed listening to the music of our youth. This weekend, I'm attending my sister-in-law's 65th birthday party in Anaheim. And later on, I'm going back to our old stomping grounds where I used to walk the dogs in Huntington Beach. We still actually have a place there, and hopefully one day we can go back. But in the meantime, we dance and we wait for Madonna or her cover band. There's quite a few of these 80s bars, and there's one in Corona, and I think there's another one in Claremont, and we used to go to all of them. And then they would have cover bands where they would play like a Madonna cover band like tonight, but we've also gone to like rock and roll cover nights and just whoever they have, and each time it's fun. My friends and sister and I had a wonderful time dancing, singing along to all the songs that we knew. It was just like we were young again, and it was great to just have a night to let loose. But it's time to get some rest because the next day was my sister-in-law's 65th birthday party. Since moving to Texas, I've been missing my California family and friends, so it was such a great feeling to finally hang out with them again and spend the afternoon laughing and reminiscing about the good old days. It was time to say goodbye and head on to my next favorite place, my home away from home, Huntington Beach.
Hi everyone, today I'm walking from my first home, Huntington Beach, California. I'm here for my sister's 65th birthday party, and I'm also here to visit family and friends. So join me as I do my steps today here in beautiful Huntington.
We start from the Hilton Waterfront Hotel on Huntington Street.
Right across the street is the Paseo Hotel, and right across from that is Pacific City.
The fun fact, when our son was in college, he had a job at the Paseo Hotel working at their rooftop bar. He ended up buying us dinners several times. It was really fun.
It's a lovely Sunday morning. It's about 73 degrees. Perfect for walking. It's nice and sunny, and looks like people are outside enjoying the sunshine. And I'm coming up to Pacific Coast Highway, across the street, and try to head over to Main Street. I'm gonna try to cross the street right here and show you a little bit of the ocean. And it's gorgeous today. There's the Paseo, and right after that is Pacific City. And some RVs. Oops. Across the street. We used to walk the dogs here all the way from here to Huntington Dog Beach, which is down that way on Golden West. And CJ and Pixie would play in the sand. CJ loved the water, Pixie not so much. And you can still see some dogs right there. Just head over to the beach.
We had so many fond memories of living here in Huntington Beach. We would always walk the dogs along Dog Beach. Sometimes we'd end up all the way here and we would ride our bikes from Huntington to Newport. We also would have end of the summer beach parties where we would invite all our family and friends and grab a fire pit and barbecue and have dance and sing-alongs, and it was just so much fun.
And here's the beach. Looks like there's people getting ready for a picnic. And there's people surfing. There's the pier. There's the RV section. People camp here. And a lot of them take a year to reserve their spots for the beach. It's gorgeous. Up ahead right there is the famous pier. And it used to be Ruby's. I don't know what it is now. But it's my favorite place to walk the dogs back in the day when we lived here. So there's Paseo Hotel, there's Pacific City, miles of sand. I'm gonna try to walk all the way to the ocean. You got the surfers right there. And here we are. Over that way is Newport Pier and Balboa Pier. That's Newport Beach. And over this way, past Huntington, is Seal Beach, Sunset Beach, and Long Beach. There goes the surfer. Let's go back and check out Pacific City. They got lots of restaurants, they got lots of food and shopping in there. And then over that way is Main Street, where the original leads to the pier right there. On the other side is Main Street. So if you're lucky enough to get one of these fire pits, you can have a nice beach picnic. We try to do that every year at the end of summer, in the beginning of fall, and there's more pits that way also towards Dog Beach. Now we're heading up to the boardwalk, and if you go all the way here, you'll hit Newport. So it's a beautiful day, nice to walk. Sky is really clear. Look at that. It's amazing.
We would ride our bikes from here all the way to Dog Beach. And one time I was so tired because we rode our bikes all the way from Newport that I had Dave come and pick me up because I couldn't go any further. And he had to come pick me up from around, I think I was at Sea Point, and he just took me home from there because I couldn't ride my bike any further. Nowadays, I don't think I can ride my bike that far anymore, or even ride a bike at all, but I'm happy to walk my 10,000 steps or more. And we're coming up to two of my most favorite places to hang out and have brunch. There's Sandy's on the bottom floor and Duke's. We're having a great breakfast brunch on Sundays.
There's Sandy's on the bottom and Duke's on the top floor. And here's the pier. clock tower right there. There's some like booths, arts and crafts. And there's Main Street. All the restaurants and shops. Right there. And here we are. Pacific Coast Highway.
I think I remember there used to be a hot dog place right here, but looks like it's gone now. And then right up the stairs was a movie theater.
Now we're heading back to the hotel, which is right after the Pacific City in past Pasea. It's the Hilton waterfront. Traffic. TK Burger, and then across from that is DQ, Dairy Queen. Cheap Eats.
And just like that, my short weekend is over and it's time to fly back to Texas, back to the puppies and to Dave. Although I'm gonna miss everybody, I know we'll be back again soon, and we will definitely plan more trips to see our family and friends here. And who knows, maybe some of them will come visit us in Texas as well. Hope you enjoyed my little adventure here in California. Come join us for more videos of our other adventures in Texas and beyond. If you like this video, click like and subscribe. And we'll see you again soon. Take care, everyone.